Okay, so today I'm going to show you ways that you can make a meal out of different pantry staples. So this is 2 boxes of cooked beef rice-a-roni. And I've always, for my family, I would take a pound of ground beef. Now this is cooked just like it's supposed to be. Pound of ground beef, maybe a little less. Diced tomatoes or a can of Rotel. The next idea, this is chicken rice-a-roni. It's 2 boxes prepared, just like on the box. And for this one, I use leftover chicken and a vegetable, usually green peas. Okay, so I wanted to share with y'all a really easy way to kind of extend your spaghetti to where you can feed more people with just like a couple pounds of pasta and 1 jar of sauce. I've always done this with all my kids. My family actually prefers the sauce and the spaghetti cooked together like this. So you cook them separate just like you normally would. You drain all your pasta, and spaghetti noodles would go further than any other shape, and then you mix it all together and serve. For a quick budget meal, take several boxes of mac and cheese, and you can do the pouch type or the powder type, whichever. Pouch would probably be best. And cook you some meat, and I usually do hamburger meat, and then cook it loose, drain it, and then add it to your macaroni. See y'all next time.